the championships commence. Things are going well though. There's some action here in Prague, Rome. Looking like it might be the hot favourite this year. But what's this in Amsterdam now? Checking the tyres. You can catch him if you try. Absolutely amazing. Every 5 minutes, somewhere in Europe, a bike is stolen. Bicycle theft remains a problem with no easy solution. But which city is the worst? Let's find out. The field of contestants was very strong this year, and the final 3 cities are neck to neck. Rome, the hometown of bicycle thieves. Amsterdam, with the quality Dutch bicycles in demand all over Europe. Prague, where 6 out of 7 bikes stolen are never found, thanks to the obliging second-hand shop network. We've parked a high-quality bicycle on a busy main street in each of the cities. We have also rigged it with a powder bomb for a little thief-shaming and hid a musical band nearby for celebrations. Let the championships commence. And here we are, just putting the bikes into position. We've got Rome there. Young gentleman with a nice cap. Amsterdam, looking autumnal. Already winter is approaching. And Prague there, finally, the mother of all cities, as some people call it. And 3 cities ready to go. The timer will be starting shortly, and the time is running. Nothing much happening in Amsterdam there at the moment. Everything's very quiet. Gentleman riding past, and he has a quick glance, but oh, he's already got a bike. Why does he need a second, you might think? Well, obviously there's always other bands in the van there. I do hope they're wrapped up nice and warm in there. Nothing happening. And back to Prague. Quiet all round. What's this, though? A couple approaching. The young lady's quite insistent that her gentleman there should have a look, and a gentleman he is by the look of him. Checking the tyres. Very sensible. Always good to check the tyre pressure before you ride off. He's not certain, though. Maybe he doesn't like the model of bike. Obviously a very fussy man with impeccable taste. Things are going well, though. Prague is looking like it might be the hot favourite this year. The other cities are still quiet, but what's this in Amsterdam now? A young man approaching. He idles one way, then he idles the other. He's not quite certain, though. Is he brave enough? Will he go for it? Will he put Amsterdam in the... And he's gone. He's moving forward. And he takes the bike. And for goodness sake, that's Amsterdam for the gold. Absolutely amazing. The band plays. People are amused. They're looking around. And he runs off. Oh, you couldn't catch him if you tried. He's got some feet on him, that young man. The young lady there, very bemused. People in Amsterdam are happy that they've got the gold there. Excellent for the European Bike Stealing Championships 2015. Amsterdam takes the gold. What's happening in the other cities? Oh dear, Prague. That's it. There's a police car in place. It's going to slow things up for Prague. Rome. He looks like he might be interested. He's got a beer bottle in hand, though. Maybe he's got better things on his mind. Some relaxation. Well, that gelato looks lovely, doesn't it, hey? Pistachio's my favourite. And the bike, no, still safe there in Rome. And Prague, definitely safe with the police car there. I don't think anybody would be that stupid to steal. Well, that said, police in Prague, who knows? In Rome there, the young man sat down. Is he just sitting, or is he... Oh, he's checking it out. Excellent there. Could Rome be in with a chance of the silver? And he's not certain, but here we go. Absolutely amazing. Rome takes silver. And the audacity, and he's away with the bike. He completely doesn't care. How audacious. Very brave. Rome there celebrating with the silver. The piazza filled with happy, amused people on this wonderful day in Rome. And that's all very good. But where does that leave Prague? My money was on Prague, I have to say, but it's in bronze position. What an excellent competition this year. A bronze medal for Prague there. Everything's quiet. Well, all I can say is that it was a very exciting championship. One of the best, I think, in recent years. Next year, who knows? Other cities might be in with runners. London, maybe. See you at the 2016 finals. If you don't want your bike to star in them, check out WeLoveCycling.com for bike theft protection tips and more.